Hey folks, I just wanted to put out a quick video in regards to the mount that I just ordered and installed on my Shoei RF 1200 helmet. As any owner of this helmet will tell you, there's always an issue with this ridge that goes across the front of the helmet, and it keeps you from utilizing the existing mounts that come with the GoPro camera itself. So I went online and found a company called shapeways.com. They were able to 3D print a mount for me, and I think it's a very durable product. When I got it, I received it in about a week's worth of time, and it perfectly fits the ridge line there. Yeah, it comes with their own little symbol. It's a very beefy. It feels pretty tough. And I was easily able to put my existing GoPro mount on it. I used my J-hook, and for the time being I am going to utilize the tether just in case anything goes wrong with the mount. I've not tested it yet, and I don't think I've seen many videos out there regarding the Shapeways mount. So for the time being I'll tether it, and at some point, if I feel like it's going to be durable enough, I'll remove the tether. That allows me to shut my chin vent there if need be. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It arrived on a timely manner, and I was able to install it rather quickly. One thing you should be aware of is that the mount itself does not come with any 3M backing, the tape. Two-sided tape. You'll need to order your own to install that, but that's about it. That's my only gripe, and so far so good. So yeah, visit their site shapeways.com and order yours if you feel like you need an alternative of mounting your GoPros. So thanks folks.